This is what I did to my car on my way back from Tulsa. I blew it up. Holy crap, did I blow it up. Damn, did I blow it up. I wonder what blew it up. Who knows? But I blew it up. I did. And I'm pretty sure that was part of what was supposed to be there. But I blew it up. See how bad that is? It's freaking horrible. I don't see what was causing it to go click, 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 click. Maybe that's it right there. I don't know. Either way, it is bad. Very, very... Oh. I blew my piston. For I see the piston right there, and it is kind of blown up. So to say. So, I blew my piston up. Along with everything else. Needless to say, that constitutes me as a dumbass. A big dumbass. Oh, and I threw a piston rod. What do you know? And still, I blew up halfway in. Now I'm going to attempt to remove that big chunk right there that I got my fingers on. And see what it is that I blew up. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow, holy crap, ow. And, well, it's kind of attached. Long story short, that's what I did to my motor. Oh, and I blew a hole right there. See the hole right there? Yeah, I blew that too. Did you see that? Oh, and I cracked the oil pan. See the crack? Cooking oil pan. And, well, okay, that's it for now. That's all I can see underneath here that I did to F up my motor.